This is the Program Technic Center that we're going to be looking at today. So this is my template file. All this beginning part is just formatting, and inside the start and end is where I'm going to put this stuff to actually appear on the page. So the first command I have here is /large. We actually can get this from the format and choose the font size, and it will let you change the font size for any time you're looking for a change. And here I type the word name to appear, and this means make a box of 2.4 inches long filled with a line across, this vertical line. So if I hit compile, hitting this button, it will build and create the PDF file. So it will take this latex command and make it to PDF. There are two other forms you can look at, but we're going to stick with PDF. So if I hit this build, it should go ahead and create a PDF for me. And so notice here, I have a PDF file with just name, so I will close that, and I will go on to adding some more commands. So if I want to go to a new line, I can just type /new line, and that will move me down to the next line in the PDF file. Now, in the next line, I will say, well, let's try some latex commands. So by doing this, it will actually create that line just by entering a text. It will put it on your PDF. So let's try some latex commands. So let's say I would like to center that. If I go before the command, notice here that I have a whole bunch of buttons. I can actually center that command. And if I put those words, I just copy and paste them inside and compile again, it will put it centered. So now that we have this, I would actually like to look at some math commands. So I will go down below centering. Again, I will do a new line. And I will say, well, let's try some math mode. To get into math mode, you can use the $ symbol. And so I would like to try a limit. So I will do /limit. Now I would like to put something underneath the limit sign, so some superscript or subscript. So I will put that underline, meaning I want a subscript. And these curly brackets will put in anything inside the curly brackets will be what the subscript. So I would like to do the limit as x goes to, so there's a /2 command, which will create a line, an arrow pointing over to infinity. So for the infinity symbol, I can click up here and notice I have a whole bunch of different symbols that will appear. What I'm looking for are Greek letters, uppercase, lowercase. What I'm looking for is this infinity sign. So here includes the command for infinity. So now I have limit as x goes to infinity. I would like to maybe look at the square root function. So over here, I can add a square root or a fraction or some nth root. I'm just going to take the square root function. And inside here, I would like x minus 1. And to end math mode, I will put another $sign. So if I hit compile now, notice it will give me some math mode. So this formula is often, we like to have this x go to infinity underneath the limit. In order to change the style, I have to go back to my command, and there's a separate math function called /displayStyle, which will allow me to put that x go to infinity underneath the limit. So if I look again, now it has moved it underneath. And we can go ahead and edit more of the file, and this will let us create various formulas, very special looking formulas.